What's good, guys? Justin Farm here. Welcome to the next part of the Justin Farm Coffee Lake PC build, guys. And this part, guys, we're going to show you guys how to install the Corsair Vengeance RGB Ram, guys. So this right here, this is the RAM. I showed you guys the unboxing in the last part of the series. If you guys haven't checked that, make sure you guys go back, check that out. And this part, we're going to be showing you guys how to install this into the motherboard, guys, right there. Check it out. Alright, guys, so the first thing you do before you guys install the RAM is set your RAM aside and turn your case sideways, or set it however you guys it's more comfortable for you guys to install your RAM. So let me turn this thing sideways. Alright, guys, so this is how we're going to install the RAM. So if you guys can see, those are the RAM ports right there. My brother will point.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Those are the 4 RAM ports right there. The RAM will be installing right there. And we have the RAM set aside on the table right there.
Yeah, so since we're using 2 RAMs, we're only going to put it in the gray. A2 and B2.
Okay. Let me focus real quickly. A which one?
So this will be A1, this will be A2.
Uh-huh.
And this will be B1 and B2. So they're color coded. So the grays.
Okay, so we're putting our RAM in the 2 grays, guys.
Yeah. And you can see there's a tooth here.
Yep.
And there's a shorter distance and a wider distance.
Let me focus real quickly. Yep.
So it's keyed, and the wider distance you'll notice on the top. So you line it up and make sure these are open.
You press down simply on those.
Yeah, make them all open.
And those open.
So I'm lining it up, and we'll drop it down simply. There.
So let me just get another angle of that sideways, guys. So just literally just dropped down, and he literally just pushed it in.
Yeah, and usually motherboards have keys on both sides, but this one only has it on one side. It's the new design.
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome. So that thing's secured.
That one's clicked in, as you guys can see. So that's how it looks when it's clicked versus non-clicked.
I'm going to do this one.
And he's going to install the next one.
So lined up, pressing down evenly.
Right there, clicked.
And I close those ones because I'm not using them right now.
And there's a clicker on both sides.
On this one, it's only on the front.
Okay. You guys can see that right there. So it's simple as that. And that's how easy it is to install the RAM, guys. If you guys can see, the way it looks right now, I'm looking at this case and this looks badass. Like, that RAM added the real Reptar look to it. Like those cuts right there, I'm not really touching it, but those cuts right there added some real nice lines to it and all that. So I'm not too sure. It looks just like the cuts on the back of the NZXT box. Real quickly, show you guys that. The back of the NZXT box, they had some RAM that looked just like that as well. But yeah, this is how it looks. Like that's all plugged in, the Corsair Vengeance RGB. And so yeah, on the back of the box of that RAM that I was talking about, I mean the NZXT box, you guys see they had some cool RAM set up like that. Similar style cut RAM, but I wanted to get some cool looking RAM like that too, but
it's cool. Nice.
It's cool enough, guys. Yeah, just focus, get to get some more shots to see how the build turned out so far. And so yeah, we have installed the RAM, the SMD, the M.2, the processor, the cooler, the fans, the power supply, radiator, right? Everything we had to really move aside, slide. Not too much, but main thing is we're happy this case was really modular, so it made everything easy. Especially with having the power supply and everything fit in there. And now, guys, make sure you guys check out the next video for the next step, when we're going to be showing you guys the next step. And what do you guys think the next step is, guys? It's right there.
The GPU.
The GPU, guys. We're going to be installing the graphic card, the 1050 Ti. Or first of all, we got to unbox it, guys. So make sure you guys check out that video when we get it unboxed. We're going to show you guys how we run the PCI Express from there to here. We're going to have a graphic card sideways. It's going to be so cool, guys. So make sure you guys check out the next video. And thanks for watching, guys. Take care.